What do you want to be when you grow up?
A cupcake princess.
Are you going to have a husband?
No,
Why not?
because I want to bake with you.
You want to bake with me?
Yeah, cupcakes. Fancy ones.
Don't you want a husband?
No,
Do you want to be a mom?
no.
Why not?
Because it's too much work having a baby.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
But it's fun. We have a baby now.
No, it's not fun being a mom.
Why?
Because I don't like being a mom.
Why not?
I just don't want to be a mom.
But I'm your mom, and I like it.
But, oh, cheese and crackers.
You like cheese and crackers? How about babies? You sure? So what are you going to be when you grow up? A mom? A teacher? What are you going to be?
A cupcake princess.